Hey everybody, I got a brand new cowl inspired by winter. I decided just to use pink and purple just for fun, and I really wanted to experience the Bernat Super Fluffee yarn in order to make this happen. And the reason why I wanted to do that, it's got a bit of halo to it and it's really quite dense and soft. And so I decided to put a Christmas or an evergreen tree in there, just like you see, and I put a little bit of checkerboard work with using this. So this is using a continuous round, so there's no slip stitching that is in this cowl at all. And I like my cowls to be relatively tight as far as so it doesn't have a lot of air going down into my neck, especially because I live here in the north. And so when you wear it, it's almost kind of like a turtleneck. And so you can tuck that inside your coat and be warm. And so with the level weight number 6 yarn with the Bernat Super Fluffee with an 8mm hook, these go relatively quickly. They take about 2 hours to make, and once you get about halfway, you really start seeing the design comes in. It really inspires you to keep on moving. So this is a new cowl. See the video description if you would like more information on this particular cowl, and in the next video that's popping up, you're going to see on how this concept is done. We'll see you.